Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Nishad and I'm from English Wow. 100 ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് സെന്റൻസുകളുടെ ഒരു പ്രാക്ടീസ് ആണ്. 100 ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് സെന്റൻസ് സിമ്പിൾ ആണ്. ഈസ് ആർ ആം ഇത് വെച്ചിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു പ്രാക്ടീസ് ആണ്. ഈസ് ആർ ആം വെച്ചിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസും അതിൻ്റെ ആൻസേഴ്സും ഒറ്റ കാര്യമുള്ളൂ. 10 മിനിറ്റിനുള്ളിൽ നമുക്ക് ഈ പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. 100 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസും അതിൻ്റെ ആൻസേഴ്സും. ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് സംസാരിക്കാനുള്ള നിങ്ങളുടെ കഴിവ് നന്നായിട്ട് കൂട്ടാൻ കഴിയുന്ന രീതിയിലുള്ള ഒരു പ്രാക്ടീസ് ആണ്. നിങ്ങളെല്ലാവരും ഇതിൻ്റെ കൂടെ സംസാരിച്ച് പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്യുക. ഞങ്ങൾ ഓൺലൈൻ സ്പോക്കൺ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ക്ലാസ്സുകളിൽ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യാൻ താല്പര്യമാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നമ്പർ കൂടെ കൊടുക്കുന്നുണ്ട്, കോൺടാക്ട് ചെയ്യാം. സോ ലെറ്റ്സ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട്. Do practice.
Are you a teacher? Yes, I am a teacher. Are you from Kerala? Yes, I am from Kerala. Are you hungry now? No, I am not hungry right now. Am I speaking too fast? No, you are speaking at a good speed. Are you waiting for someone? Yes, I am waiting for my friend to come. Is he your cousin? Yes, he is my cousin. Is she your best friend? No, she isn't my best friend, but she is close to me. Is this your bag? Yes, it is my bag. Is it raining outside? Yes, it is raining heavily outside. Am I disturbing you? No, you're not disturbing me at all. Are you studying English these days? Yes, I'm studying English every evening after work. Are you reading that book now? No, I'm not reading it now. I will read it later. Are you listening carefully? Yes, I am listening very carefully to you. Are you going home now? No, I'm not going home. I'm going to the office. Are you working today? Yes, I'm working today even though it is Sunday. Is he doing his homework? Yes, he is doing his homework in the next room. Is she preparing dinner? No, she isn't preparing dinner. She is just making tea. Is the baby sleeping? Yes, the baby is sleeping peacefully. Is it getting dark outside? Yes, it is getting dark. The sun is almost down. Is the movie interesting? No, it isn't interesting. It's quite boring. Am I learning the right way? Yes, you are learning in the right way. Don't worry. Are you free tomorrow evening? Yes, I am free tomorrow evening. We can meet. Are you busy with office work? Yes, I am very busy with office work these days. Are you comfortable here? Yes, I'm comfortable. Thank you for asking. Are you afraid of dogs? No, I'm not afraid of dogs. I love them. Is he studying for his exams? Yes, he is studying hard for his exams next week. Is she talking to her mother? Yes, she is talking to her mother on the phone. Is the train late? No, the train isn't late. It is on time. Is the water cold? Yes, the water is very cold. I can't drink it. Is your house far from here? No, my house isn't far. It is just 10 minutes away. Am I correct in this answer? Yes, you are correct in this answer. Are you coming with us? Yes, I'm coming with you. Just wait a minute. Are you staying in this city? Yes, I'm staying here for a few months. Are you learning any new skills? Yes, I am learning computer programming these days. Are you working in the same office? No, I am not working in the same office. I changed my job. Is he playing football outside? Yes, he is playing football with his friends. Is she learning how to cook? Yes, she is learning new recipes every day. Is the shop open now? No, the shop isn't open. It opens at 10 o'clock. Is the car ready? Yes, the car is ready. We can leave now. Is it your birthday today? No, it isn't my birthday today. It's tomorrow. Am I making a mistake here? No, you are not making any mistake here. Are you talking to me? Yes, I'm talking to you. Please listen carefully. Are you waiting for the bus? Yes, I'm waiting for the bus to the city. Are you planning a trip? Yes, I am planning a trip with my family. Are you staying at home this weekend? No, I'm not staying at home. I'm going out. Is he watching television now? No, he isn't watching television. He is studying. Is she singing a song? Yes, she is singing a song beautifully. Is the meeting important? Yes, the meeting is very important for us. Is the door locked? Yes, the door is locked. Don't worry. Is it difficult for you? No, it isn't difficult. It is easy for me. Am I asking too many questions? No, you're not asking too many questions. It's fine. Are you enjoying the class? Yes, I am enjoying the class very much. Are you looking for something? Yes, I'm looking for my phone. Are you feeling tired? Yes, I'm feeling a bit tired today. Are you working late tonight? Yes, I'm working late. I have to finish my project. Is he playing the guitar? Yes, he is playing the guitar in the living room. Is she writing an email? Yes, she is writing an email to her teacher. Is the bus coming soon? Yes, the bus is coming in 5 minutes. Is the hotel expensive? No, the hotel isn't expensive, it's reasonable. Is it safe to walk here at night? Yes, it is safe, many people are around. Am I sitting in the wrong place? No, you are sitting in the right place. Are you speaking clearly? Yes, I am speaking clearly so that you understand. Are you waiting for my answer? Yes, I am waiting for your answer patiently. Are you going to the market now? No, I'm not going now, I will go later. Are you interested in this subject? Yes, I am very interested in this subject. Is he walking to school? Yes, he is walking to school with his friends. Is she watching a movie? Yes, she is watching a movie on Netflix. Is the food tasty? Yes, the food is very tasty, I like it. Is the road busy now? Yes, the road is busy with traffic. Is it your pen? No, it isn't my pen, it's his. Am I late for the class? Yes, you are late. The class started 10 minutes ago. Are you wearing a new dress? Yes, I am wearing a new dress today. Are you thinking about something? Yes, I am thinking about my future plans. Are you waiting for a call? Yes, I am waiting for an important call. Are you learning from your mistakes? Yes, I am learning from every mistake I make. Is he talking loudly? Yes, he is talking very loudly. I can hear him. Is she working in the bank? Yes, she is working in the bank as a clerk. Is the exam tomorrow? Yes, the exam is tomorrow morning. Is the flight on time? No, the flight isn't on time, it is delayed. Is it cold in your room? No, it isn't cold, it's quite warm. Am I going in the right direction? Yes, you are going in the right direction. Keep walking. Are you enjoying the weather? Yes, I'm enjoying the cool weather today. Are you using my pen? Yes, I'm using your pen for a moment. Are you preparing for the test? Yes, I am preparing very hard for the test. Are you looking happy today? Yes, I'm looking happy because I got good news. Is he driving the car? Yes, he is driving the car carefully. Is she cleaning the room? No, she isn't cleaning the room, she is cooking. Is the teacher in the class? Yes, the teacher is in the class now. Is the shop open on Sunday? No, the shop isn't open on Sunday. Is it your final decision? Yes, it is my final decision. Am I speaking correctly? Yes, you are speaking correctly and clearly. Are you playing a game now? No, I am not playing, I am studying. Are you learning quickly? Yes, I am learning quickly with your help. Are you writing something? Yes, I'm writing notes for tomorrow. Are you staying with your parents? Yes, I am staying with my parents now. Is he working on his laptop? Yes, he is working on his laptop in the office. Is she listening to music? Yes, she is listening to soft music. Is the bus full? Yes, the bus is full. There are no seats. Is the coffee hot? Yes, the coffee is very hot. Be careful. Is it time to go? Yes, it is time to go now.